All right, so now that we have everything set up, we've gone over the interfaces here, we're going to actually power up the unit, and we're going to take a look at how the screen actually looks. We're going to do a pass scan, and then we're also going to do a fail scan. So going back to our interfaces, we just got to plug the unit in, and you're going to see the actual startup sequence happen here. So it goes into like this pink state. The actual lights come on, so you get to see everything. When you're doing your scans, you're going to have where the pink light is now, it's going to actually turn blue while it's scanning. It's going to go green if you pass. It's going to go red if you fail. So it shows everything visually as well. You also have audible alerts on the device. The power-up sequence takes about a minute or so to go through everything here. So I'm just waiting for that to go through here. You can also use the device with and without a mask. It will detect both sides there. As with all thermal units, you just want to make sure that you have a good space set up for the unit. Don't point this directly at a window, at a door behind the person. A wall is ideal. Notice how there's a wall behind me. The unit's pointing towards me. That's the best way to do that. So let's go ahead and get a scan here. I'm not wearing a mask currently. I want to go ahead and approach the unit. One more thing, when you first power up your unit, there will be a 20-minute warm-up time. The screen will actually say preheating countdown. And as you can kind of see here, let me move out of the way. It's already reading my temperature and giving the audible alerts. So let's actually do a scan.
Please proceed. Normal temperature, please proceed.
And you can actually see right away that it will give you an audible alert. I'm just trying to stay out of the device here. Now let's actually do a fail alert, and I'm going to be using a black body calibrator here. And I'm just using this because this is basically set to a high temperature. It's 104 degrees. I'm going to put this on my forehead to simulate a high temperature reading.
Normal temperature, please proceed.
Let me move closer to the unit.
Abnormal temperature.
And you can hear that. And if I go back into the unit here,
abnormal temperature.
And it turns red, it's very loud, so it gives you that. You also, if you don't want the audible alarm, you have the visual alarm, turns red, it shows you that. Let's go ahead and actually use my mask now. And I'm going to step back into the unit.
Normal temperature, please proceed.
And the same now with the elevated temperature.
Abnormal temperature.
And one more time.
Abnormal temperature.
So I'm unplugging it now before it drives us nuts with the alarms, but you'll be able to actually get both a pass, fail, and your blue state is basically the scanning while it doesn't scan. So really great unit, very sturdy stand here that it comes with. This can also be mounted on an actual kiosk style setup. If you have any questions on the Cantronics unit, please feel free to talk to our experts. If you have any questions, we can also do demos on the device and cover your application, specifically with the new Cantronic systems, FSM 3000.